I think this is a first for Ankush and me. We're both doing reality. We used to call it fashionality.
Name of this show, Myntra Fashion
Yes.
Superstar Season 3 is I Wear My
I think the whole idea of I wear my story was where your fashion and your story comes in together.
A lot of pictures. Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 had such a good mix of panelists, so unique that we don't know.
Call Manish Malhotra as MM. Is he the brand MM on the show?
Yes,
Yeah.
There was an MM table.
MF table and everything.
Again, I think fashion is very, very individualistic.
Hi.
So how should I start this? Should I ask you now? You guys are jury member, like officially coming with the Myntra fashion season 3, if I'm not wrong. So how does it feel from being influencers to jury member? Does it really make a difference?
Panelists is the word.
Okay. So how do you look at this whole term of being called influencers and then the jury member? How does this go with you?
I think this is a first for Ankush and me. We're both doing reality. We used to call it fashionality on the show.
Oh, wow.
So
Yeah.
it's our first time, and we started out nervous, but towards the end, I think we all got so comfortable with each other, and I think it's so great that Myntra Fashion Superstar is giving a platform to creators to showcase the kind of content that they want to create, they like to create, and there's some amazing pieces of content you're going to see on the show.
Wow.
And the whole idea that it's a talent hunt for creators like us, I think that's what made it very exciting for us to be part of the panel. And when you watch the show, you'll know that we're actually doing a lot of like mentoring and giving feedback on their content instead of like just being part of the panel just to judge in a way.
Ankush, how does it feel to you? Because you said it's your first reality show.
मुझे तो बहुत important feel हो रहा है.
बहुत important feel हो रहा है. वो
नहीं,
ऐसे
like
भी
I mean, ये मेरा पहला reality show था, तो मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. Like I was just enamored by everything around. Like first 2 days, like Ashna said, 2 दिन तो लगे to like get into the groove. But which you will see, like you'll see how we open up during the show also. So it was an experience, quite a good experience for us. And हमने बहुत मजे करे set पे, which will show on when you watch it on Voot. And I feel that the best part was in the middle of having these conversations with these content creators, मुझे realize होता था कि it's so good that they have these conversations so early on in their journeys. Like I wish हमसे कोई ऐसे बैठ के बात कर रहा होता है, हमें समझा रहा होता कि you know like ये ऐसे करो या you know this is how this could be better. So I feel it felt like a nice cycle. It felt like we came around like a full circle, and also we were a bunch of content creators on the same table. So even offset जो हमारी conversations होती थी about content creation, this and that, they were so insightful and it was nice. I really liked it.
Yeah.
Asna, how different was it, Ashna, how different was it for you? Because already you guys are in the virtual world now. Already you have been there. You've been there for a decade. Was it very difficult or challenging, or as Ankush said, किसी के लिए तो easy हो गया आज, but आप लोगों के लिए journey easy नहीं था. I'm sure when you started to what you have made it here. So कैसा लगा? How was this virtual world arrangement coming through you?
I think it's very exciting that even though we had to like wait a lot longer when we started out, for brands to be more welcoming to creators and for the internet to like open up a lot more to us. I think it's so nice that Myntra has given the platform, because here they already start off with so much that it kickstarts their career in a much bigger way. And we bring our experience to the table. So our feedback is, with a lot of experience. And when we would watch their pieces of content, we could relate to the kind of work that went behind, whether it was choosing music or a script or the kind of looks they created, editing, transitions, everything. When you watch the show on Myntra Studio and Voot, you'll actually see that they all come with so much like that they want to do. Like their creativity was showcased so well on the show, and we couldn't really do that when we started out because obviously our resources weren't as much. But I think it's great because it just gives a lot more people an opportunity to create content and get into this industry, because even though like we are kind of like the first generation of creators who nobody knew where the career is going, but this is great because they can all then reach heights much quicker.
Yeah, and adding to what Ashna said, I think the theme of this show, Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3, is I Wear My Story. So what that means is that we selected people who had unique stories to tell, and they did tell them on the show in different ways, and some of them are very, very moving. And I feel that as an audience member, I connect to a content creator not only because of their content, but because of the personalities that they are. And what shapes up your personality? Your story, right? Like that's how you become
Yes.
who you are. And like we've already talked about this individually on the videos that
Yes,
were
we
released.
saw. It's beautiful. It was just amazing to see that.
Yeah, so that was the theme. I wear my story, and I think that's so important for a platform like Myntra to enable these people to tell their stories upfront.
Yes.
You know, so I think because once you tell your story, good content, bad content, like there are good days for content, there are bad days for content.
Wow.
What shines through is that your personality has to shine through in every one of those peaks and like lows, right?
Yes.
So I think that's what makes people connect with you. So
You know,
yes.
Ankush, you actually took my question. I was coming to tell your story part to it that what really was your parameters? You were part of this whole content creating panelist. So सबका अपना होता है ना. You might be judging on your own grounds. Ashna has her own thing. So what were your basic parameters, if you can tell us? कि large and large क्या देख रहे थे? Story तो देख रहे थे, but automatically you drive yourself to what you excel at, your own individual skill areas, right? So Ashna, if I have to take it again from you, what was your pick when you say कि your true story आप कैसे judge करते हो?
I think the whole idea of I wear my story was where your fashion and your story comes in together.
Okay.
And that is what most of us were looking for, of course, but I was mainly focusing on the fashion and seeing the personality of the person creating the content. So it has to be real, it has to be you, because obviously we got to know them through the episodes and we got to know their personalities. So what we were looking for, and what I mainly was looking for, was to see their personality shine along with some really good fashion looks that actually influence us, the audience, to want to get those looks. So that, because that is what an influencer does. So yeah.
And Ankush, for you, was there anything that shocked you also, Ankush, through the journey of this? Like something that you guys took away as like, we didn't know.
We took away a lot of pictures. No, but like to answer the first part of your question, that's a great question. I think. Thank you for that question. I think as far as it's Myntra Fashion Superstar season 3, right? So the fashion aspect was handled very well by Ashna, Kusha, Santu, MM. You know, I think I was there mostly because like. So there were two aspects of it. जब मैं उन्हें advise करता था, I would advise them things as a content creator from whatever little experience that I've earned so far. But when I was seeing their content, I was seeing it as an audience member. Okay. I'll keep it as simply as that. कि जब वो कुछ content बनाते थे, मैं देखता था. I would see it कि क्या मैं इसको, अगर ये मुझे social media पे दिखता ये piece of content, तो क्या मैं इसे like करता, क्या मैं comment करता. I was fair like that. कि you know, like you can be the most fashionable person in the world, but if your fashion doesn't speak to you, I may not interact with that kind of content, right? Which is why Myntra Fashion Superstar season 3 had such a good mix of panelists. Because there were some people who were very technical with fashion. There were some people who were looking for like stories, like Ashna said. There were some people who were looking for personalities. I was looking for authenticity. I was looking for someone that I would want to watch repeatedly. Not just one piece of content, but is this person speaking to me in some way? Is this, as an audience member, am I willing to let go of this one bad piece of content? You know, कभी होता है कि आपका एक content piece अच्छा नहीं होता. But on the show, there have been times that I've made an exception and been like, you know what, I still want to take this person forward because I believe in this person. I believe that दो fails के बाद भी this person can rise.
So they get more chances. So it's not like the end of the story with one failure.
Because that's how audiences react to things. Like there's not always a formula with which you judge people, right? Some people just speak to you, and some people just like, they're so interesting as people that you want to follow them for longer to know their story more, right? So मैं as an audience member वहाँ बैठ के उसको देख रहा था.
And I think
quite harsh in his criticism also.
I was not harsh. I was just honest, and sometimes audience can say things that.
But it was honest criticism. It was not.
Did you make anyone cry? I hope yes.
No.
Such.
But the format of the show is so unique that you'll know when you watch it on Voot that I'm not gonna give you spoilers, but the format is so unique that we don't know. Like we don't know if they cried or what they did, because that's how on social media it happens. अगर मैं एक post डाल रहा हूँ, आप मेरे post पे comment करो, आपको नहीं पता कि मैं उससे कितना खुश या कितना दुखी हूँ, right?
And if you're trolled, it's another experience.
Yeah, so like I mean, we didn't troll, of course, because we would support that as panelists. But I mean, there were negative comments, there was criticism, and
from everyone, not just Ankush.
Yeah, हाँ मेरे को bad guy बना दिया, इससे मैं सबसे sweet था.
But I like what he said. You guys call Manish Malhotra as MM. Is he the brand MM on the show?
MM, yes, MM. There was an MM table.
MM table and everything.
How cool is that? Yeah. It was a good experience to be with him.
So much fun. He's a sweetheart.
मेरे को पहले दिन तो I couldn't. I was shooting a vlog while being on set, and first day I didn't shoot anything with him because I was too overwhelmed by the fact that I am on a show with the Manish Malhotra. So it took me like 1-2 episodes to like. I mean, he was obviously friendly, but I was so overwhelmed कि मैं पूछूं MM से like like
You experience what we experience now. आप लोग के साथ बैठ के मुझे भी कुछ ऐसा ही लग रहा है. So I know what you went through.
That's very flattering. That's very flattering.
But one game we have very quick because the whole concept is about your true story, what you wear. So I want one of you. I'll go moving from Ashna and Ankush one on one. So one is tell me what is your true story you wear. Ashna, I come to you with who?
I think for me it would be like if you watched my I Wear My Story video, it's more about how I've grown up with a single mother and a house mainly with women. And my hope is to share that more with the world and inspire a lot more women to believe in themselves and if they have a dream, to live it.
Wow, that's so touching. And Ankush, your true story that you wear with pride.
My true story that I wear with pride. I'm very proud of where I've come, like from where I started. I think, like because I studied architecture, and to switch my field, it was very like it was. मतलब 2 साल तक I was working as a writer and didn't tell my parents that I've switched jobs. I just told them that I've taken up a job as a writer क्योंकि architecture में jobs नहीं है. I didn't tell them कि मेरे लिए jobs नहीं है, वैसे jobs हैं. But so
I wish they bought it.
And then I became a writer. Then I also got into acting. Then I quit everything and I started creating content. So I think I'm very proud of those leaps that I took.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't matter how far I go, just the fact that I was able to take those risks. Yeah, I don't know if at this stage I can take such big risks again, but like I did at some point in life. So I'm very proud of that, I think.
Oh, nice. And we are proud of that too. I have Chetna with me on my team. If you can put your camera on, Chetna, and we go with this very quick segment of now that you're jury or panelist, if I correct myself, on this festival season, we have some pictures. Chetna, you can take on that. And let's see if they can judge each other well. Very quickly.
Hello.
मैं आस्था को जज करने की हिम्मत नहीं रखता.
Yeah, we have like I've gone through all your profiles and we've selected pictures and we want you to judge each other's look. You have to judge each other's looks. Okay, so I'll be sharing.
Very honestly,
Ashna is not sitting next to me, so I can take that risk right now.
And we expect honesty here.
Yeah.
Start.
We were very honest with each other on the show, so there's no.
So I'll start with Ashna's look because Ankush said that he can be very transparent about it.
Oh my god.
Can you?
I love the makeup. I love the makeup.
Thank you.
I love the makeup.
How sweet. No comment, no negative comment. We move to next.
नहीं, वो जो जाली पहनी है वो I don't know, like is that for air conditioning? Is that?
It's fashion.
It's fashion, which I don't understand. Yeah.
No, yeah.
Okay, so next Ankush's look is this one.
Oh, I've seen this. I really like the pop of color on the eye. I love pops of color on the eye, so I think that's very cool.
A lot of people did not like this because they were like, ऐसे कुछ लगा दिया इसने अपनी आंखों पे.
No, I really like the pop of color. I like what you've done with the lips. Is it like an ombre? What is it?
Yeah. Ashna was the only one on set who understood when I did an ombre lip. Everybody was like, there's something on your lips. I was like, that's an ombre lip.
I think it's done very naturally, so it looks really nice. And you've always played with your hair on the show as well. Like you've always done a lot of different things. So
बचे नहीं.
That's so kind. I think you guys really have a good teaming attitude there. You're praising each other.
No, we'll be honest.
But हम लोग mostly जब show पे ऐसे लड़ाइयाँ होती थी, disagreements होती थी, Ashna and I were usually on the same side. Physically also.
We can see the tuning very well. But before I have to let you guys go, I have to ask you one thing. You know, what is your fashion, if I can say the fashion hack or tip or say or a word to people, one who judge fashion or who judge others who are trying to be trendy or out of the way or something out of the box? What's your say to those?
I think the whole thing of you do you is so important today. If someone wants to wear high heels and go to the airport, we should just let them, and I think it's fine.
Yeah.
So I think that would be something I would really like to tell people who consume fashion content on the internet, that if someone wants to wear something, just let them.
Yes. And Ankush, what's your say on people who fear being judged and do away from like not want to do the makeup like you say always. It's okay to go with
I
makeup,
wouldn't
isn't it?
preach anything to them. I would just say a big hug. That's it.
Okay.
Because you
You
can't
don't
like.
think
I mean,
anything can be said to them?
I think it'll
Yeah.
happen on its own if they have to do
You
it.
got
they'll
froze
just
here?
have-
yeah. I mean, take your time. I'd say take your time. Actually, I'd say take
Yeah.
your time. Yeah.
Well, that's so sweet, guys. I wanted one hack, if that's the true way, because people always talk about something that should do away in the fashion world. Is there one element that you both have to say that should be done away in the fashion world? Ankush, for you, makeup or fashion? For sure.
Done away from the fashion world.
That's too cliched. Like, you think it's like too much done.
कुछ भी नहीं है, मैं सबसे बड़ा क्लीशे मैं खुद हूँ यार. So मैं क्या ही बोलूँ? Like I don't know. Nothing can be. I mean, again, I think fashion is very, very individualistic. There
Yeah.
can't be rules. There can't be. You can't tell people what is cool, what is not cool. I mean,
True.
you may not like it, but if someone likes wearing clothes that don't make sense to you, I mean, they're wearing it. ना तुम्हें थोड़ी पहना रहे.
Listen to us about the fashion festival on Myntra
On
stream.
India Podcast.
Yeah, on India Podcast.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Ashna, and make sure you join in on our conversation with Ankush and me. We're talking about Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 on India Podcast.
Thank you so much, guys. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here.
It was real lovely. Thanks for your time. Thanks for what we could interact with you in a short period. And we really wish you all the best.